Hi everyone, Car 2.0 here. Welcome back to video 3 of 4 of our unboxing montage. We have another package to open today. So this one is called the City Adventure 3. It's actually a group of vehicles from the Safari and Jungle home set. So let's get a closer look. Well, it's actually easy to open, and so we're gonna get it out of there. Alright, here we go. Start with Malibu Marauder. Malibu Marauder has a decal showing a safari on it. It's all green. And but all the cars I'll be showing you guys are green. And look at the windows. They're green too. Great one. Alright. And next is the 59 Impala wagon. With the canoe that can detach. Watch. See? It can detach. And this one has jungle guide on it. Actually, the rest of them has jungle guide on it. Actually, one of them had a jungle guide, just like this one. It is green too. Alright, the Raptors up next. And there are some details on this one. And there's a Raptor has VR badge right on it. Nice details in the front, right? And yeah, there's the armored Conda thing on it. I don't know what this company means. Let me know in the comments below. Overall, great casting, especially with this tire in the truck bed. Alright, next one we have a Willy's Jeep. And with this one, this also has Americana right on it. And yes, that's a Safari. They also use it in the military as well. So yeah, great to have another one. But there's no details in the front and rear. I think so far the Raptors possibly the only one that had detail in its headlights and taillights. Alright, the last one is this Land Rover Series 3 Safari. And look at the wheels and tires. They're all red. It's a set. To go off road and get dirty too. Well, it's what a Safari does. They are great off roaders. On the road. When you have off road tires. And take a look up. There's the Land Rover badge right there. And it has Safari X right on it. Overall, great SUV. That's like the rest. Alrighty, guys. What do you guys think? I got these 5. Let me know in the comments below. See which one's your favorite. Alright, guys. I'll see you guys on fourth and final unboxing video. See you later, everyone.